In this video I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate a group chat on Messenger. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to deactivate a group chat, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Messenger app. I got a test chat right here, but just open yours you want to deactivate. Then click on the name at the very top. And then right here, you can see the information of your group chat. Then click on See Group Members. Then click on a person. And click on Remove from Group. And do that with the other one as well. And then click on yourself. And click Leave Group. And then click Leave again. And now the group chat is deactivated. So yeah, that's basically it. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.